Welcome back, guys. So I have been sent this to try out, the gas leak detector from Toptes PT210, and they've also sent me another one of these to give away to you lot. So stay tuned, and we'll do that giveaway at the end. So let's have a look at it. Instructions. This is it in orange. I think you can get this in a few different colours as well, if you're bothered about the colour. So that's the gas detector. Get some batteries, look like Duracell ones as well. It's pretty, yeah, they are Duracell. You don't normally get some nice batteries with them. And you also get this nice case to put it in. Nice bag. Pretty cool. Right, let's have a look at it. Right, so you get a user manual. We'll have a look at that later. Pretty sure we can get this thing turned on. So I'm guessing we just unscrew this for the batteries. Yeah. Downwards. We'll just turn this on. So I think it's doing, looks like a test to see if it's working alright. So I don't know how this long takes. Probably tells us in here actually. About 30 seconds I think. So it runs through a cycle at first when you first switch it on, just to test it. So that should be done in a minute. It's got a high and a low setting. And we do need some gas to test it on, don't we? So I've got what I'm going to do is I've got it because I wanted to test it on this because I need to change this gas bottle over. So it's just beeped, so it's ready. Yeah, I just want to test it on this because I want to change the gas bottle over, and I can't see how much gas is in the back of this left. I don't think there's a lot left. And I've got a little one that I got give over there, which is an old one, and I want to make sure that is not leaking before I put it on. Anyway, let's. So it's on I at the minute, so I'll just turn this on and we'll see where it gets it. Yeah, so it's picking it up straight away. So I'll load it out of the way. It should go off in a minute when it stops detecting it. So bars are dropping down, so it's saying low at the minute, and there we go, it's gone off. So put it on low and we should be able to get it a bit closer, I think, without it going off. So if this is a pipe and we're trying to detect where pipe is leaking, we can just follow it along. There we go. It's picking it up here because it's going up in air. If I put it above it, it'll probably just going to go straight away. Yeah, pretty much straight away. So that's the low setting, and then this is the high. Yeah. So I'm going to turn it off. Turn gas off. And it should stop detecting in a minute. I've let quite a lot of gas out of that. Alright, let's just do it make sure it's not picking on up. Right, and then we'll see if this is actually turned off. It did pick a little bit up there. Have we got a slight leak? No, I think we're good. No, so that's all good. It's not leaking when it's shut off. Right, let's test it on this. Right, so this is my heater for my garage. I use this all the time in winter. They're absolutely brilliant. So it's turned off at a minute, so we shouldn't hear anything. No, we're all good. Someone's doing some DIY outside with the sound of it. So yeah. Anyway, let's turn it on first. So I want to take this bottle off to find out how much gas is in it. Yeah, we're on. Put it on full. So there is some gas left in it. Last winter when it got really cold, it went really rubbish, like hardly not working a lot really, and I'm pretty sure it's because it's low on gas. It's nice. Right, let's shut it off. So when I turn it off as well, I'm not sure whether like it's turned off, but it's still on. I don't know whether it's supposed to do that. So we'll turn it off at back. I've got gas detectors on high, so it'll start beeping if we get any gas. Right, I need to unscrew these, but look at it. So this gas bottle I've had, well, I've had it 2 years and I haven't filled it up yet, so I'm not in here that often. God knows how much they are to fill up these days with price. Right. Right, let's take this off. How do you get these off? Oh, that button there, I think. Right, it's off. Let's test it. Make sure it's shut off. It's still picking a bit up. I just want to make sure they're safe to take off. Let's put it on low. I've got it on low. Might be just because I pulled it off a bit, it'll come out. Test it again. It is picking it up a bit. Can smell it a bit. I think we're good. I think it's just what we're left in it. Yeah. Oh. So this is the one I got for free. Oh, hang on. See how much is in this. I think there's about a quarter left in that one. This one here. This has been tested in This one's due in 2035, and this one just says when it was tested in 2007, so I'm not sure how many years you get with them. Right, this is ready again. Right, so there's no gas coming out at the minute out of this one. I think this is about half full as well. So squeeze it on. See, it's a bit, it's quite old, so I'm hoping it still works. Is that on? Yeah. I'll put that in. See if it actually. See if the gas is good. Not doing it right. Yeah, we're on. So that's working all right. So turn that off. I just want to make sure when this is back off, because I want to use this big one up first. So I want to make sure I'm going to put this big one on, and then I can get that refilled when I've used it all. So I want to make sure this one is not leaking. I'm going to put this cap on. I can smell gas now. I've undone it though. Right, let's see you. Yeah, I'm not getting anything on this one. Now that cap's on. Am I on this one? No, so this is definitely. Oh, hang on. it's just gas that's in air from earlier. So that ain't leaking, which is good. So I can put this one back on now. It's not leaking. Turn it on. So that's it. I know I'm going to be nice and safe on the. We know it ain't leaking, and I've got enough gas to last us this winter anyway in garage for what I do in here, which is good. We don't have to fill that up because I've got no idea what these cost these days. These gas canisters. Well, that's it. You want to get your hands on one of these, yeah? I put the description. There's one for the UK in there, and you click on that, it'll take you to Amazon. There's another one that's if you're in the US and you want to buy one, you can click on that. I think they're about 23 quid each. There's also, I've got a discount code I'll put up there for the UK. So type that in and you'll get a 5% discount. And there's also one for America, and that's a 10% discount. So if you want to win one of these, I've got one spare. So this is it. Give me one to give away, which I'm going to give to you a lot. All you got to do, drop us a comment, and we'll put you in a draw. And on the next video, we'll announce who's actually won it, and I'll get it posted to you wherever you are. Don't matter where you are, we'll post you this. So that's it. I think I'm going to go inside and watch F1 because it is Sunday. It is my day off. And I'll see you in the next one where we're back on a big build. See you later.